Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Cooking with Lady Zai, and as usual I would like to share you something very simple which you can prepare as breakfast or also tea, and this is very popular in our country where we called it crispy vegetable fritters. So let's see the ingredients. Red chilies, carrot, cabbage, capsicum, spring onion, wheat flour, rice flour, shallots, garlic, white pepper powder, baking powder, lime juice, should I say we call it kapur. And here we have our seasoning, salt and sugar. We have oil and water. Here we have cabbage. You can slice this thinly. Transfer this into a bowl. Cut the spring onion. I have some capsicum in my fridge, so I add in. Actually, vegetables is all up to you. If you have others, you can always add on. You can also add in bean sprout, but my children doesn't like bean sprout. That's why I am not putting any inside my dish. And the red chilies is optional. If you think you want to have it spicy, you can always slice and put into the ingredients. These also add colors to your fritters. For the carrot, I'm going to grate it coarsely. Now I'm going to pound these shallots and garlic into fine paste. We can mix this together with the pounded ingredient. Can add in some seasoning and salt here. And here is my white pepper. Can add in some water and also the flour. Together with the baking powder and also the lime water, which we call air kapur. But this is optional. If you don't have also, it doesn't matter. This is just to give, should I say, if we use this, normally it can give you more crispiness to the fritters. Add the water bit by bit because I don't want it to be too thick and too thin. If you find that it's a bit too thick, you can add a bit of water. This is just a nice texture. And we can heat up the oil and start frying it. Okay, we heat up the oil. Now we can start frying. Make sure the oil is hot. You can fry this until golden brown or crispy. You can see that this is already done, and I'm going to remove it. The sounds already show that it is crispy. Wow, it looks yummy. The combination of wheat flour, rice flour, and also the air kapur that makes the batter crispy. So this is how it is served with chili sauce. And for those who wish to try, please don't forget to subscribe, share and like my YouTube channel Cooking with Lady Zai, and press the bell button.